When I use liquid white, fluid white, magic white, whatever you want to call it, I make my own. I just use some Gamblin 1980s, usually my go-to. A little bit of titanium white. I usually do it 50-50, but it just depends how it mixes with Gamblin solvent-free gel. I'll show you here. I don't really have exact science when I do this. Just go by feel. As you can see, that it's pretty thick white as it is. Then I'll add some of the solvent-free gel into it. Make sure you mix it really well. I usually don't pre-mix too much. I did before, but now I just kind of do it as needed. I don't usually do my whole canvas neither, just where I do the sky and water if I know ahead of time what I'm going to do. As you can see, it's gotten much thinner. I would probably leave it like that. It's not too runny, but it's a lot thinner than what it was. That's how it's that simple.